Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 637, average of levels in a binary tree. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by using DFS, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is initialize a list that we will be returning. Next up, let's initialize a queue that we will be using for BFS. Right, so next up, let's check the base condition, which is if root is equal to null, you would just return the list as is. If not, you will add the first root node to the queue. Right, once that is done, as it goes in BFS, you will have a while loop, and this while loop will keep going while the queue has at least one node in it. And once you get into the loop, the first thing you do is get the size. You get the size because you want to iterate only through those nodes, and you'll keep adding the nodes that you see at the new level at the end. So you want to make sure that you look at nodes only on a particular level. So you're getting the size, and you get the sum. Just initialize that to be a double. Right, and then you have a for loop that goes from 0 all the way up to all of the nodes on one particular level, which is size. You keep incrementing that at each level, and then you say, hey, let's get the node that we need to look at right now. Let's call it the current node, and then we'll just get it from the queue, and you would add that to the sum. Plus equals current.value, and then you look at the left and the right node. So you say current.left. If it is not equal to null, you would add that to the queue, queue.offer current.left, and you do the same for the right as well. And once that is done, the for loop, you will add the given sum to the list. So it would be res.add sum divided by the size. And once you've completed the while loop, in the end you would just want to return the list itself. Perfect. So let's quickly compile this and see if it's okay. The first test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. So let's quickly talk about the space and the time complexity. The time complexity of the entire solution is O of n, since we have to go through all of the nodes. The space complexity would also be O of n, which is linear space, because we would be looking at all of the nodes on one particular level, where this would obviously this n right here would be smaller than this n right here. It's just the only thing that it represents is that it's linear complexity and not more than that. So that's the solution for this problem. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any questions on LeetCode that you would like me to solve, also let me know in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to solve it for you. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.